In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your PayPal account. Whether you're looking to streamline your financial accounts, switch to a different service, or simply don't need PayPal anymore, closing your account is a straightforward process. Let's walk through these steps together to ensure you can do this efficiently and securely. First, we need to navigate to the PayPal website, so go ahead and open your internet browser. You're going to type in www.paypal.com and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. Just a little reminder, make sure you're using a secure network, especially if you're entering sensitive information like passwords. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You will see a small gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click on that gear icon to access the account settings. Here you'll find everything related to your account's preferences and configurations. Scroll through the settings page to locate the Close Your Account option. This might be a little tucked away, but you will typically find it towards the bottom of the account section. Click on the Close Your Account link. PayPal will take a moment to confirm with you that you're sure about your decision to close the account. This is an important step because once the account is closed, you won't be able to access any of its transaction history or your existing settings. Before you confirm this action, here's a small tip. Ensure that there are no outstanding transactions or unresolved issues in your account. It's a good practice to download any important transaction history or records you might need in the future. Keep in mind, if there are any funds pending in your account, you'll need to transfer them to your bank or another payment platform before initiating closure. Once you're ready, confirm that decision when prompted. PayPal may ask you to verify your identity by entering some security information. This step is crucial to protect your account from unauthorized closures. Once you've passed this verification, the account closure will be processed and you'll receive a confirmation email shortly thereafter. It's a good idea to keep this email for your records just in case you need to refer back to it in the future. And there you have it, 4 straightforward steps to delete your PayPal account. Always remember to handle your financial information with care and security in mind. And if you ever decide you want to use PayPal again in the future, creating a new account is quick and simple. Thanks for watching, learning with us, and trust us at your tutorials for all your tech guidance needs. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more how-tos and tips. Until next time.